Flytrex. First up, let's talk about Flytrex, the trailblazer in urban logistics. Imagine this, your favorite meal delivered to your doorstep in just 5 minutes. But Flytrex is not just about convenience, it's about reimagining the way we approach transportation in urban environments. These drones, with their impressive speeds of up to 51 kilometers per hour, are not only delivering meals, but also showcasing the potential for faster, more efficient delivery services. Picture this, urgent medical supplies reaching their destination in record time, or essential items being delivered to remote areas with ease. Flytrex isn't just a convenience, it's a glimpse into the future of urban mobility. Unitree H1 next. Let's delve into the world of robotics with Unitree H1. This isn't your average warehouse assistant, far from it. With speeds rivaling that of a sprinting athlete, Unitree H1 is poised to transform industries as we know them. Imagine warehouses operating at peak efficiency with these agile robots navigating seamlessly between shelves, optimizing inventory management and enhancing productivity. But the applications of Unitree H1 extend far beyond warehouses. Picture these robots assisting in disaster relief efforts, navigating treacherous terrain with ease, or enhancing accessibility in public spaces, providing support to individuals with mobility challenges. Unitree H1 isn't just a robot, it's a versatile tool with limitless potential. CYBI Fingers. Now let's shine a spotlight on CYBI Fingers, the game changer in the world of prosthetics. For individuals with limb differences, everyday tasks can present unique challenges, but with CYBI Fingers, those challenges are being overcome. These customizable prosthetics aren't just restoring functionality, they're enhancing quality of life. Imagine using smartphones, tablets, and other devices with ease, thanks to CYBI's touchscreen capabilities. But the impact of CYBI Fingers goes beyond practicality. It's about empowering individuals to express themselves, embrace their uniqueness, and live life to the fullest. CYBI Fingers isn't just a prosthetic, it's a symbol of resilience and inclusion. ARTUS Finger Exoskeleton. Now let's zoom in on the ARTUS Finger Exoskeleton, a seemingly niche gadget with far-reaching impact. In industries where manual labor is prevalent, such as manufacturing or construction, the risk of repetitive strain injuries is a constant concern. That's where ARTUS comes in. By preventing overextension and maintaining natural movement, it's not just protecting workers from injury, it's preserving their livelihoods. But the benefits of ARTUS extend beyond the workplace. For individuals with disabilities, this exoskeleton offers newfound independence, allowing them to perform daily tasks with ease. And with its lightweight design and tactile sensitivity preservation, it's revolutionizing the world of prosthetics. ARTUS isn't just an exoskeleton, it's a symbol of innovation and inclusivity. Neuralink Se Neuralink is blurring the lines between technology and biology in ways we never thought possible. By merging technology with the human brain, Neuralink is not just enhancing our capabilities, it's fundamentally altering what it means to be human. Imagine a world where individuals can regain their sight, communicate telepathically, or even transmit music beyond human hearing frequencies. But Neuralink isn't just about convenience or entertainment, it's about unlocking the full potential of the human mind and ushering in a new era of evolution. With its compact size and minimally invasive implantation procedure, Neuralink is paving the way for a future where humanity transcends its biological limitations and reaches new heights of cognitive ability. Neuralink isn't just a chip, it's a catalyst for human evolution and progress. Surge S32 next. Let's talk about Surge S32, the epitome of versatility in urban transportation. With its seamless transformation from a rickshaw to a scooter in just 3 minutes, Surge S32 isn't just offering convenience, it's redefining the way we navigate city streets. Picture this, weaving through bustling traffic with ease, switching between modes of transportation based on your needs and preferences. But the impact of Surge S32 goes beyond individual convenience. In crowded urban centers where space is limited and traffic congestion is a constant challenge, Surge S32 offers a sustainable solution, reducing emissions and alleviating strain on infrastructure. Surge S32 isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of adaptability and empowerment. MONOCAB Owl. Moving on to MONOCAB Owl, the innovative solution to rural transportation challenges. In rural areas where public transportation options are limited, MONOCAB Owl is a game changer. These sleek pods, gliding along railway lines with grace, aren't just reducing carbon emissions, they're revitalizing rural communities. Imagine traveling through picturesque landscapes in these eco-friendly pods, connecting people to essential services, educational opportunities, and cultural experiences. But MONOCAB Owl isn't just about leisure, it's about addressing disparities in access to transportation, ensuring that no community is left behind. Whether it's commuting to work, accessing healthcare, or simply exploring the beauty of the countryside, MONOCAB Owl is not just a mode of transportation, it's a lifeline for rural communities. Spout is tackling one of the most pressing challenges of our time, water scarcity. By extracting water from the air and filtering it to meet high standards of cleanliness, Spout is providing a sustainable solution to a global crisis. Imagine communities gaining access to clean, affordable water without depleting precious resources or contributing to pollution. But the impact of Spout goes beyond survival. It's about creating a more resilient and equitable world where access to clean water is a fundamental human right. Spout isn't just a device, it's a symbol of hope and innovation. ISEE. Let's shift our focus to the logistics industry with ISEE, the pioneer in autonomous freight transportation. In an era where speed, efficiency, and sustainability are paramount, ISEE is leading the charge. With its fleet of autonomous trucks equipped with AI algorithms, it's not just improving efficiency, it's shaping the future of transportation. Imagine goods being delivered swiftly and safely without the need for human intervention. But the impact of ISEE extends beyond logistics. It's about addressing the growing demand for reliable and sustainable transportation solutions, ensuring that goods reach their destination quickly and efficiently. ISEE isn't just a fleet of trucks, it's a vision of the future of logistics. FASA 35 is taking aerial exploration to new heights, literally. With its solar-powered capabilities and impressive altitude and endurance, it's not just expanding our capabilities, it's advancing environmental sustainability. Imagine monitoring wildfires or mapping remote regions with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency, but the impact of FASA 35 goes beyond exploration. It's about unlocking the full potential of solar energy and advancing environmental conservation efforts. FASA 35 isn't just a drone, it's a symbol of innovation and exploration. Searider, prepare for takeoff with Searider, the embodiment of futuristic personal transportation. With speeds rivaling that of a highway car, Searider isn't just reducing travel time, it's rewriting the rules of urban mobility. Picture this, soaring above traffic jams, gliding effortlessly through the air, and arriving at your destination with time to spare. But the applications of Searider go beyond personal use. Imagine emergency responders reaching disaster zones in record time, or search and rescue missions conducted with unmatched speed and efficiency. Searider isn't just a flying vehicle, it's a symbol of innovation and progress. Honda XR Mobility Experience. Get ready to embark on a journey like no other with the Honda XR Mobility Experience. By combining VR glasses with intuitive controls, it's not just redefining personal transportation, it's revolutionizing how we experience reality. Imagine exploring virtual landscapes, engaging in immersive learning experiences, or attending virtual meetings from the comfort of your chair. But the impact of the Honda XR Mobility Experience goes beyond entertainment or convenience. It's about breaking down barriers and expanding our horizons, enabling individuals to connect, learn, and explore like never before. The Honda XR Mobility Experience isn't just a chair, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. Kiwifruit Picking Robot. Say hello to the Kiwifruit Picking Robot, a game changer in the world of agriculture. With its advanced cameras and precise algorithms, it's not just harvesting fruit, it's revolutionizing how we approach farming. Imagine orchards buzzing with robotic workers, delicately picking kiwis with unmatched precision. But the impact of the Kiwifruit Picking Robot goes beyond productivity. It's about sustainability and resilience in the face of global challenges. As the demand for food continues to rise, technologies like these are essential for ensuring food security and preserving our planet's resources. The Kiwifruit Picking Robot isn't just a machine, it's a partner in agriculture's journey towards a more sustainable future. Eden ISS is cultivating more than just crops. It's sowing the seeds of sustainability and resilience. In a compact greenhouse nestled in Antarctica, researchers are demonstrating the viability of aeroponics, growing an abundance of fresh produce in extreme conditions. Imagine harvesting tomatoes, cucumbers, and greens in a barren landscape where temperatures plummet to -40 degrees Celsius. But the impact of Eden ISS extends far beyond space exploration. It's about inspiring solutions to food insecurity on Earth, transforming icy deserts and sandy wastelands into fertile oases. Eden ISS isn't just a greenhouse, it's a beacon of innovation and hope for a more sustainable future.